Folks, on BigIron.com, we'll be selling some Minneapolis-Moline tractors on our October 7th collector sale. Larry Leckband here has got some Minneapolis-Molines. Tell us about them, Larry.
These three tractors are late 30s vintage. The first one is an R, was a cab tractor with no cab now. Next one's a middle size, and this is a 39U. I think it's got the original rubber on it, yep. And the two behind is an R and a Jetstar. These things were restored probably 50 years ago. They've been sitting in a shed.
Now we're going to have a public inspection on October the 3rd. And Larry, are you going to be here to tell people stories about your tractors?
I ain't going anywhere, it's Lord willing.
So come on out, folks. Give us directions to your place.
From Mochedan, Iowa, it's a mile south, mile and a half west, and a mile south, right on the corner, on the bottom of a hill by a 10-acre pond, lake.
Now, in addition to these Minneapolis-Moline tractors, folks, there's a 54 tractor collection for you to come take a look at, and they will all sell October the 7th on BigIron.com.